Hi guys, today we are painting a front lip for the MR2. We currently have not much light. That barely works, that's broken. We've got this over there. So if it's a bit dark, sorry. But yeah, we're going to paint this with 2 almost empty spray cans and then stick it on the car. That is the plan. Okay, the car's ready to go on the ramps. Hello. Hip hip hooray!
What?
Run over there! Okay, we've got all of these bolts to take out underneath the lip. All these different ones. Then there's a couple that look like they're at the top on this side bit. Oh, hello. Okay, so started to take the bolts off. First bolt, swing, straight off, snapped. That will probably happen for all of the bolts. Yeah. Success. This one looks like a snapper. Have faith. Little movements. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, it's tensing up again. Come on. Oh. If we get this one, then that's over half of them that haven't snapped, and that's a success.
Ooh.
Oh. I think this one's working. Suspicious noise. Yeah, look at this. It's covered in crud, but it's another success story. Oh, I think this one's going bad. 3 out of 5. No! Oh. Just as you get your hopes up. Oh, so much crud getting in my eyeballs. What's left is these on top. I bet you're 10 mil. Ah. Okay, change of scenery. Back with Jono, the MX-5. My car is back up on ramps. We have to now do the front lip. Because Jono is letting me borrow his Dremel to Dremel out the awkward bolts. And his car's now low. Okay, so update, this side, once hit with some plus gas, has come off quite nicely, as far as quite nicely goes. This side is still a bit awkward, but there we go.
There you go.
Okay, update. Couldn't really film this because this required 6 hands and 9 brains to do this, and the strength of 1,000 men. Rusty bolts, yeah. This one's like sheared off, as you can see. This one actually came off fine. They're all off. Just this one left. Oh, where is it? It's up here. And he's gonna need grinding. Okay, there it is. Is that the bottom bit of metal or the top bit of metal?
That's what's left of the nut.
Yes.
So.
Right, it's off. That's the top bit of metal, isn't it? Okay, let's triumphantly lift this away and do this. Where did that one come from? Was that on the bottom?
Yeah, it'd be the bottom one. I don't know.
Okay, now we've got no...
Top one from that side.
Oh, we've got no front lip at all. Now to put the other one on. But yes,
Like that.
it's gonna look so aggressive. I like that.
Oh.
Ready to be put on, looking all nice. Alright, that's all done. Thanks to Jono for his help. Where is he? He's over there. Wave. It's all done. It's looking good, and I'm very happy with it. We replaced the broken bolts on the side with fresh bolts, and I'm happy to say that it looks very good. See you next time.